Upbeat music plays. Hey gardeners! Welcome back to the channel where we share gardening tips, tricks and hacks to help you grow your best garden ever. Today we're diving into some garden hacks that actually work. These aren't gimmicks. These are tried and tested tricks that will save you time, effort, and maybe even a few bucks while making your garden thrive. So, grab your gloves, and let's get started. Section 1. Self-watering planters from plastic bottles. First up is a classic that never fails. DIY self-watering planters using plastic bottles. This hack is perfect if you're traveling or just want to ensure your plants stay hydrated without daily watering. Step 1. Grab an empty plastic bottle. 1 or 2 liter works best. Step 2. Cut the bottle in half. Step 3. Invert the top half and place it into the bottom half. Step 4. Fill the top half with soil and plant your seeds or small plants. Step 5. Add water to the bottom half and let the magic happen. The soil will draw moisture as needed. This is perfect for plants like tomatoes and peppers, which thrive on consistent moisture. Section 2. Coffee grounds as fertilizer. Next up, let's talk about coffee grounds, a fantastic natural fertilizer that boosts nitrogen in your soil. After you enjoy your morning coffee, don't toss the grounds. Instead, sprinkle them around your plants. Nitrogen-rich coffee grounds are a great source of slow-release nitrogen. Keeps pests away. Slugs and snails hate coffee grounds. Be cautious. Avoid overusing them as too much can make your soil acidic. Roses, tomatoes, and blueberries love this hack. Just make sure to spread them thinly, as too much acidity can hurt certain plants. Section 3. Banana peels for healthier plants. Banana peels are packed with potassium and phosphorus, essential nutrients for flowering plants. Simply bury a banana peel near the base of your plant, and as it decomposes, it releases these nutrients into the soil. Cut peels into small pieces to speed up decomposition. Great for roses, peppers, and even fruit trees. Make banana peel tea. Soak banana peels in water for 24 to 48 hours, and water your plants with the solution for a potassium boost. Banana peels also help with fruiting and flower production, so use this hack on plants that need an extra boost. Another kitchen waste product that your garden will love. Eggshells. They're full of calcium, which prevents blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Plus, their sharp edges help deter soft-bodied pests like slugs. Collect and rinse your eggshells. Crush them into small pieces. Sprinkle the crushed shells around your plants, especially near the base of tomatoes. Calcium is crucial for cell growth, so this hack keeps your plants healthy and your garden pest-free. Section 5. DIY Compost Accelerator with molasses. Host, got a compost pile? Want to speed up the decomposition process? Try adding molasses. This natural sugar provides energy for microorganisms that break down organic matter, turning your compost into rich soil much faster. Steps on screen. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of molasses into a gallon of water. Step 2. Pour the solution over your compost pile. Step 3. Turn the compost regularly to aerate it. Host, you'll notice your compost breaking down quicker, producing nutrient-rich material for your garden. Section 6. Companion planting for pest control. Host. Companion planting is one of the most effective organic ways to control pests and improve plant growth. By strategically planting certain vegetables and herbs together, you can repel pests, improve pollination, and maximize space. Examples on screen. Basil and tomatoes repels tomato hornworms and boosts flavor. Marigolds and cucumbers. Marigolds deter nematodes that attack cucumbers. Beans and corn beans fix nitrogen in the soil, while corn provides a natural trellis for the beans. Host planting your garden with companions in mind is an easy way to reduce pests and improve your harvest naturally. Section 7. Newspaper for weed control. Host. Are weeds a constant headache? Here's a hack. Use newspaper as mulch. Lay sheets of newspaper around your plants and cover them with a thin layer of soil or mulch. The newspaper blocks sunlight, preventing weed growth while still allowing water to pass through. Steps on screen. Step 1. Lay 3 to 4 sheets of newspaper around your plants. Step 2. Water the paper to keep it in place. Step 3. Cover with mulch for a neat look. Host. This hack cuts down on weeds and also helps retain moisture in the soil, which means less watering for you. Outro. Host. So, there you have it, garden hacks that actually work and make your life easier. From self-watering planters to natural fertilizers, these tricks are guaranteed to help you grow a healthier, more productive garden. Try them out, and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Text on screen. Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more gardening tips and hacks every week. Host, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening. Upbeat music fades out.